right, Wendy, we'll go ahead and
Check out the dining car?
Yeah, and maybe do an EVP and see if we can get something going on.
Awesome.
I went in here through the walkthrough. It's a really neat open car. Are you okay?
Yeah. George tried to
Bite you?
Yeah.
We put a bungee on it, so it would.
Oh, so maybe it won't go all the way?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
I didn't see the bungee. Oh, good.
Look at the table and stuff. It's cool.
Yeah.
Can you imagine riding along this thing and going and... I can't imagine.
Tick, 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 tick.
I was on a train a couple of times, but they didn't have anything this nice. What have you got there? Okay, I just want to see what you had.
Oh, I brought my millimeter.
Okay, I can have a K2, and a tri-field. Okay,
Yeah, this has a temperature gauge and a EMF detector and a kind of a K2 built in, so
okay,
kind of
that's
all
cool.
in one tool.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can get anything in here. Some of the team members have gotten some stuff tonight, so some K2 hits and pretty cool. And then they would go away again.
Yeah. My group had a little bit of torching going on in here, so that was kind of cool.
Okay.
I think we were talking to a girl going to meet her boyfriend.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Little romantic rendezvous.
Whoa. Anybody having some hors d'oeuvres tonight? Some coffee and such? I see they have the...
Oh yeah, the table's set up.
Yeah, they got the
what do they have?
menu.
We might have a crazy new bright flashlight. Oh my goodness.
Let's see, a la carte, got soups and seafood and sandwiches and desserts.
They're
What are the
cheap
prices?
too.
What are the prices? Look at this. Yeah, ham, baked ham, 85 cents.
Sandwich.
Sandwich.
Still.
Wow. I don't know, what year was this? I don't know, it's gotta be like in the 40s.
I'm not sure if we're printing it. Oh, 62.
Oh, okay.
May 1st, 1962.
Wow. Do you remember that year?
I wasn't born in that year.
I know you don't. I remember that year.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember that year. Yeah, it was the year before Kennedy was shot.
Right.
Hello? Anybody in this car tonight? We'd like to communicate. My name is Rick.
I'm Wendy.
We're here just to talk to you, see how your trip is going.
The green lights won't hurt you. They just let us know that you're there.
The kitchen's back here.
Yeah. It's big.
I can't get over this vent that's in this thing. You see how
How low it is?
How can you work in an environment with this thing hanging down? I don't understand it.
I don't know. I'm positive I would hit my head. Repeatedly.
Got the sinks, they got everything. You got fryers, everything here. Coffee pot.
Yeah,
You see?
there's even a dishwasher.
Wow.
It's a big coffee pot.
Can you imagine rolling along in this? Any cooks here? Any cooks here tonight? Can you bang on something? Like I bang on? You can wave your hands across these lights that I have in my hand.
Oh, it's a wind.
It's a wind.
It's a pretty cool moaning sound.
It sort of reminds me of being in an airplane. It's the same kind of feeling, you know.
Yeah. Kind of closed in.
Yeah.
The windows that.
Like Dover Air Force Base when we did those planes, a lot of creaks and stuff.
Oh yeah, the the C-47 Sky
Right.
Train.
Right.
I remember. That's pretty cool.
It was. Let's see. Let's go.
Okay.
Maybe have a seat. Do an EVP. They are dirty.
Not all of them.
It looks alright.
Yeah, it looks okay. So on the inside.
Okay. Just try to feel. A lot of people don't trust the K2s, but they like the tri-fields. So I have a walking one here, so I decided to use both tonight.
Okay. And I can set up the torch, even though I don't really want it on because it's so bright.
See, at one time they had like 8 trains coming through here in one day.
I thought I read it was 14 actually.
Was it 14?
Yeah.
Oh.
In the 1940s, at the height of the popularity,
Uh-huh.
14 a day.
Wow. Can you imagine soldiers riding in this thing with going to war or whatever?
Yeah, a lot of emotion, I would imagine.
Anybody here that's in the armed forces that would like to talk to us tonight? You can wave your hands across these lights.
I'm going to turn this off for you, but you can see it's pretty sensitive. You can turn it back on at any time. Change these lights from the numbers from zeros to actual higher numbers. And put it over here so it's an easier reach. Make these lights light up.
And my name is Rick again.
My name is Wendy.
And we're traveling in on the train just like you.
We are.
And you know, we'd like to talk and pass the time. So if you'd like to communicate with us, it would be wonderful. Are you going to war to fight the Nazis?
I'll move this over so it's easier. There you go.
Are you from this town? Where are you from?
We're visitors to Parksley. We're new here.
Your dog
Yeah.
or something.
Yeah, we should tag that.
He sounds mad.
He's probably mad he's awake.
Doesn't he? Yeah. Just wave your hands across these lights. Can you make these jump? Can you make them like a rainbow? Now you've done it before, around the cars here tonight. Be wonderful to get that on film.
There you go.
There you go.
Thank you. Can you turn it off again? I like the way that you turned that flashlight on. Can you turn it back off? Make it go dark? Thank you.
All right, we just wrapped things up. We're going to go ahead and take the DVR down. We had a good night. Who wants to start first? I will say this, that the history of these trains it's really a cool place to be. At night, it's especially cool. The artifacts here are great. We didn't get any spikes from any kind of thing, but we did get some random K2 heads, so they would come and go, and they wouldn't stay. We think it was electricity in a wall, and we'd go like that and it'd be red all the way down, and then a minute and a half later we'd do the same thing and go back up again and nothing. So that means there's something going on. We don't know what.
getting some really solid hits, and then we debunked it, and a couple of us pulled out our cell phones, and when we shut our cell phones down, we lost the K2 hit. So kind of a lesson learned there that when we do investigations, we want to be careful with our cell phones.
Yeah, not only that, but you know, when you're on a case like that, it's probably best just to put your cell phones up. Also, the old cell phones, a couple of years ago, would only cause a problem if you were dialing out or somebody was calling in, it wouldn't spike anything.
Right.
But now with the Apples and all these other ones we have now, they give out all the time.
Right, smartphones.
Yeah, the smartphone. So that's something to be said for that. But we're going to review our tapes, of course, and review everything. And we should have it up in a couple of weeks up on our website. If we do get any EVPs at all. Anybody else have anything?
We had quite a lot of action in the caboose.
Caboose was pretty hot. It was
Yeah.
the K2s were going on, and I got and on my tri-field it did go off in there too. The only time the tri-field went off was in there. So I don't know, but there could be something there. We don't know. Anyway, so we'll review everything we got. I suggest if you ever down this way to come in and take a tour of this fine place.
Agreed.
I agree.
Yeah, it's great. The little train stations, the little train stuff they have all over the place. It definitely was a labor of love.
Oh yeah.
For sure. All right. So on behalf of Delmarva Historic Haunts,
Lab Group of Gettysburg Paranormal.
good night.
Good night.